Alfie, now that we're friends, I've decided to make you my new project.
Oh, you really don't have to do that.
I know exactly what they need. And even in your case, though it's the toughest case I've yet to face, don't worry, I'm determined to succeed. Follow my lead, and yes, indeed, you will be popular. You're gonna be popular. I'll teach you the proper place when you talk to boys, the ways to avoid influence. I'll show you what shoes to wear, how to fix your hair, everything that really counts to be popular. I'll help you be popular. You'll hang with the right cohorts. You'll be good at sports. Know the slang you've got to know. So let's start, 'cause you've got an awfully long way to go. Don't be offended by my frank analysis. Think of it as personality dialysis. Now that I've chosen to become a palace advisor, there's nobody wiser, not when it comes to popular. I know about popular, and with an assist from me to be who you'll be, instead of dreaming who you were. Well, there's nothing that can stop you from becoming popular. Lar. You'll be popular, just not quite as popular as me. Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leap. It's time to try defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity, and you can pull me down. It's me telling how I'm defying gravity. From a flying high, defying gravity, and soon I'll match them in real now. And nobody in all of us, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me down. I hope you're happy. Bring me
meie ees oli Error tantsukool ja nägime tantsulavastust pealkirjaga Pink Goes Good with Green.